Hello everyone, welcome to the channel guys. This is just a quick update regarding why new lectures have not been coming recently. I've received a few comments from many of you asking for more lectures, and I also want to thank you all for all the appreciation you have shown in the comments. I truly appreciate the support guys. The reason I haven't been able to upload new lectures is because currently I'm in my final year and my university exams are approaching very soon. So at the moment, I'm focusing on the prep for those exams. This is why I'm not getting enough time to create new lectures. Before ending this update, I also want to say a big thank you because the channel is about to reach 2000 subscribers. Thank you so much to each and every one of you for supporting the channel and showing your love from the very beginning. And of course, new lectures will definitely continue, but they will resume after my exams are over. Until then, if there are any specific topics you would like me to cover, please feel free to write them in the comment section below so I can plan the future lectures accordingly. That was all about the update. Thank you once again for your support and wish me luck guys for my exams. See you all soon after the exam. Bye bye.